Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your account in Paperguide AI. Now once you're inside your account, you want to head over to the left hand side where you have your account on the lower part. Click on your account and then click on settings. Here click on subscription, and here you'll see what plan you have and the upgrade. So simply click on upgrade and it will take you over to the different offers that they have. And as you can see, you can get started with a free account, which I currently have, and you have a ton of value with a free account. But it is very reasonable. You can either get the starter or the advanced plan. Monthly, if you click on monthly, you have the starter for $12 and the advance for $20. But if you choose to pay annually, you will see that you have it for much cheaper, and you see all the AI models that you have here and what it's currently using. You get a lot of value here within this tool, and it is as easy as that. Once you go ahead and click the plan that you want, you'll have a pop-up here which basically allow you to enter your banking information or your card information, and you will just simply pay and subscribe. And afterwards, once you go back, you will see that you have your account upgraded. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. You can now have fun unlimited by utilizing all the different features of Paper Guide AI.